time. So it's time to pick up Skarlett, and the repair was expensive, but you know what? I love Skarlett and I want the best for her. Right now, we're gonna take a brief look at what the repairs were and how it looks. And sorry for the traffic, it's pretty loud, it's morning, and I just wanted to get this done. So see you in a few under the car. We're gonna take a look. All right. Oh, okay. It's fresh.
All right.
Cool. And so this is a new axle?
New axle. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Maybe the old one.
This one, old one. Okay, cool.
Arms.
Yeah. So hopefully the next thing I can do is, the sway bars are good, right?
Sway bars are good. A little bit of surface rust, but it's okay.
Okay, so maybe I do some Rust-Oleum to get over that.
Something like that.
Okay. Yeah. Cool. And then here. Okay. Nice. And it was, so what was this?
Oh, that's the level sensor. Remember how I mentioned?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so we're able to save it.
Salvage it.
Yeah, we just put the wire there just to secure it.
Oh, okay. Sweet. So how does it drive so far?
Oh, smooth.
Smooth. Okay. And then the Rack and Pinion?
Rack and Pinion's up there.
Oh wow, that's so far up. Oh, I see it. Oh, that was a hell of a... So did you guys have to drop the transmission?
No, that's more in the middle. So we had to take out apart like the shrouds on top.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's why it's two different labors, yeah. One's on the bottom, one's in the middle.
Cool. Okay. Sweet. Thanks.
No problem.
So the exhaust is cracking right here. Let's see if you can see the crack right in there. Right there. All right, exhaust. I'm gonna cut out this part to here.
So right here.
Okay, so from there to here. Cool. Thanks.